Salesflare versus really simple systems. Which CRM is best for solopreneurs? If you're a solopreneur trying to figure out which CRM can simplify your customer management, streamline your sales pipeline, and keep your business running smoothly, you're in the right place. Stick around to the end because I'm going to give you my verdict on which one might actually work best for your needs, and I'll share an even better option. Let's kick things off with Salesflare. This CRM is built with a heavy focus on automation. It does a lot of the heavy lifting for you by automatically capturing data and pulling it into your system. This could save you a lot of time, especially if you're managing a lot of leads. One of its standout features is the email tracking and integration with Gmail and Outlook, making it super easy to follow up on emails and keep everything organized. However, while this all sounds great, Salesflare is a bit more on the expensive side, especially for solo businesses. If you're just starting out, the pricing might make you think twice about whether it's really worth it. Next thing, really simple systems. As the name suggests, this CRM is all about simplicity. The interface is clean and user-friendly, which means even if you've never used a CRM before, you can get up and running quickly. It offers a decent set of features like email marketing, reporting, and lead tracking. What I really like is its affordability. This is a CRM that won't break the bank. But here's the catch: while it's simple, it can feel a little basic. Some key features that you might want to take your sales game to the next level, like advanced reporting and automation, are either limited or locked behind higher tier plans. So it's a good choice if you don't need anything fancy, but if you're aiming to scale up, it might fall short. The third thing to consider is integrations. Salesflare is pretty solid here, offering integrations with more than 70 tools, including Google Workspace, Zapier, and accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks. If you're using a lot of tools in your business, this could save you a lot of time and hassle. Really simple systems, on the other hand, doesn't have as many integrations, but it does support Zapier, which helps you connect with many other tools. This makes it somewhat versatile, but if you're looking for deep integrations across your entire tech stack, Salesflare might be the winner here. Moving on to customer support. Salesflare offers a good support system, including live chat and email, but because it's a more feature-rich platform, the support team is sometimes bogged down with complex questions. Really simple systems, being more straightforward, tends to have a quicker response time for basic issues, but if you run into any advanced problems, the support can be less responsive compared to Salesflare. The last thing to think about is the learning curve. If you're a solopreneur trying to juggle everything, the time it takes to learn and implement your CRM is crucial. Salesflare, with all its bells and whistles, does have a steeper learning curve. It can take a while to really get the most out of it, especially if you're not familiar with CRMs. Really simple systems, on the other hand, wins in terms of simplicity. You can start using it right away without too much of a headache. Now, both Salesflare and really simple systems have their merits, but after trying all of them myself, I have to say that there's a better alternative out there. While they're good for managing customer relationships, if you're a solopreneur looking for something that combines simplicity, scalability, and affordability, take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth checking out. So, while Salesflare and really simple systems each have their place, I recommend you explore this better alternative for managing your business more efficiently. Don't miss out.